Did you know that 1 in 10 people worldwide suffers from chronic kidney disease, CKD? Yet most don't realize it until the damage has progressed significantly. The kidneys are critical organs, responsible for filtering toxins, maintaining electrolyte balance, and regulating blood pressure, yet they are often overlooked in our daily diets. Many people focus on what they shouldn't eat for kidney health, but the truth is, some fruits can help repair damage, reduce inflammation, and support kidney function naturally. Imagine eating delicious, nutrient-rich foods that actively protect and heal your kidneys while satisfying your cravings. Stay with me, because I'll share the 10 must-eat fruits approved by doctors to improve kidney health, and I'll reveal the best way to include them in your diet for maximum benefits. First on the list is cranberries, a small but mighty fruit known for its impressive benefits for the urinary tract and kidneys. Cranberries contain unique compounds called proanthocyanidins, which prevent harmful bacteria from sticking to the walls of the urinary tract. This reduces the risk of urinary tract infections, UTIs, a common issue that can lead to kidney damage if untreated. Cranberries are also packed with antioxidants that protect kidney cells from oxidative stress, a key contributor to chronic kidney disease. To get these benefits, choose unsweetened cranberry juice or add fresh cranberries to your meals. This fruit is a must-have for keeping your kidneys free from harmful infections and toxins. Quick reminder, if you're enjoying the content, please hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and drop a comment below. Next is blueberries, one of the richest sources of antioxidants like anthocyanins. These compounds are powerful protectors against inflammation and oxidative stress, two major factors in kidney damage. Blueberries are also low in potassium, making them an excellent choice for individuals with kidney issues who need to monitor their potassium intake. Eating a cup of fresh blueberries daily helps protect your kidneys from cellular damage while delivering a burst of natural sweetness. Blueberries are versatile and can be added to oatmeal, smoothies, or eaten as a snack. Red grapes are another kidney-friendly fruit you should consider. Packed with resveratrol, a potent antioxidant, red grapes help protect the kidneys from damage caused by high blood pressure and diabetes, two of the leading causes of CKD. Resveratrol also reduces inflammation and supports healthy blood flow, ensuring your kidneys receive the oxygen and nutrients they need to function optimally. Grapes are also hydrating, which helps the kidneys flush out waste and toxins more effectively. Snacking on a handful of red grapes or tossing them into salads is a simple yet impactful way to support your kidney health. Apples are a staple fruit for kidney health, and for good reason. Low in potassium and rich in pectin, apples help regulate blood sugar levels, lower cholesterol, and reduce inflammation. Pectin also binds to toxins in the digestive tract, reducing the workload on the kidneys. This fiber-rich fruit is particularly beneficial for people with CKD who need to avoid overloading their kidneys. Whether eaten raw, baked, or blended into smoothies, apples are an easy, affordable, and effective way to protect your kidneys daily. Pineapple stands out as one of the best tropical fruits for kidney health. Unlike many tropical fruits, pineapple is low in potassium, making it kidney-friendly. It contains bromelain, an enzyme that reduces inflammation and improves digestion. Bromelain also helps reduce kidney strain by breaking down protein waste products in the body. Pineapple is refreshing, sweet, and versatile. It can be eaten fresh, added to smoothies, or incorporated into savory dishes for a natural boost to kidney health. Another incredible fruit for kidney support is strawberries. These vibrant red berries are rich in antioxidants like vitamin C and ellagic acid, which help neutralize free radicals that cause kidney damage. Strawberries also have anti-inflammatory properties, reducing swelling and protecting the delicate structures of the kidneys. Low in potassium, they are safe for people with CKD and make a delicious addition to breakfasts, snacks, or desserts. Including strawberries in your diet can help your kidneys stay healthy while giving your body a nutrient-packed treat. Watermelon, with its high water content, is one of the best fruits for hydrating the kidneys and promoting detoxification. Proper hydration is critical for kidney function, as it helps flush out toxins and prevent the formation of kidney stones. Watermelon also contains lycopene, an antioxidant that reduces inflammation and protects kidney tissues from oxidative stress. Enjoying a few slices of fresh watermelon or blending it into juice is a delicious way to support kidney health and stay hydrated. Cherries, particularly tart cherries, are another must-eat fruit for anyone looking to heal their kidneys naturally. They are loaded with antioxidants like anthocyanins and vitamin C, which protect kidney cells from oxidative damage. Tart cherries are also effective at balancing uric acid levels, which is crucial for preventing kidney stones and gout. Whether eaten fresh, dried, or as a juice, cherries provide powerful anti-inflammatory and protective benefits for the kidneys. Lemons are widely recognized as a natural kidney cleanser. High in citric acid, lemons help prevent kidney stones by increasing citrate levels in urine. Citrate binds to calcium, which prevents the formation of kidney stones. Lemons are also high in vitamin C, which boosts immunity and supports the kidneys in eliminating toxins. Drinking a glass of lemon water each morning is a simple yet effective way to keep your kidneys clean and healthy. Finally, papaya is a fruit that offers significant benefits for kidney health. Papaya is rich in vitamins A, C, and E, as well as enzymes like papain, which aid digestion and reduce inflammation. It also acts as a natural diuretic, helping the body flush out excess sodium and toxins, reducing the strain on the kidneys. Ripe papaya can be eaten as a snack, added to salads, or blended into smoothies for a nutrient-packed treat. These 10 fruits are not only delicious, but also loaded with nutrients that actively support kidney health. To maximize their benefits, try incorporating a variety of them into your daily meals. Start your morning with a refreshing smoothie made from blueberries, strawberries, and pineapple. Snack on red grapes or an apple midday. Add watermelon or cherries to your afternoon routine for hydration and kidney support. Pair your meals with a glass of lemon water and finish your day with a few slices of papaya. By rotating these fruits, you'll provide your kidneys with a wide range of antioxidants, vitamins, and natural cleansers. Think about it. Your kidneys work tirelessly every day to filter out toxins, maintain balance, and keep you healthy. Isn't it time you gave them the support they deserve? With these doctor-approved fruits, you can take a simple yet powerful step towards stronger, healthier kidneys. Wouldn't it feel great to know that every bite you take is actively healing and protecting one of your body's most essential organs? And now, keep watching for more health tips.